want to discuss the front windshield water drains on the Mercedes W126 chassis. If you've watched my other videos, you know I'm always warning viewers about the importance of staying on top of keeping those water drains clean. They'll lead to rust, hinge problems, and all kinds of issues, particularly on the W123. You know, the W123 drains are down in here below the battery, and you can see those. But in the W126, you can't visually tell by just looking in a W126 whether or not you have a problem underneath this plastic cover. So the plastic cover has to be removed to really inspect your water drains. Now you may think, oh, it looks clean to me. There's no problem here. Look at how clean this car is. But you do have to remove this whole plastic cover. It's not difficult. And then you're going to inspect the two corners, this corner over here and the driver's corner, because they can get plugged. And when they get plugged, water will stay in those troughs and rust through, causing water to enter the cabin. So this is a 1981 300 SD, and I recently removed this plastic cover, and I was a little shocked at what I found underneath. Now, before I pull this off, I have to admit, this car has been sitting in a raining environment outside for a number of years. So this isn't going to happen, you know, in dry, like Southwest climates, particularly where you don't have a lot of trees. But look at this. I pull this off, and this has to be probably about the worst I've ever seen. Look at this. It's hard to believe that all this stuff could get through those small holes in the panel. It's taken an awful long time for this much junk, but look at how that's plugged up the water drain back in there. So this is a problem. It's the same on the other side.